Hi, I'm Katie Nobles.
And I'm disability attorney Michael Einer.
And you're watching The Bottom Line. Today's topic, how to speed up your disability case. So Michael, this is a hot topic. Everybody wants to know how they can speed up their case.
Sure. And, there's not many ways to speed up a disability case, but there's definitely ways that you can slow a case down. And so, what I think we want to cover in this video and some others that we'll talk about are ways that we definitely see people slowing their cases down. And a great way, or a not great way, that we see people slowing their case down a lot is by giving us unnecessary medical updates, okay? So obviously, you've heard us talk at length about the importance of telling our office about, medical updates to pass along to Social Security. The problem is, a lot of times people are then letting us know about medical exams that are just totally routine, nothing out of the ordinary, nothing that's, different from any other medical appointments that are already in the record. There's no new imaging studies, no new blood work, nothing that would give Social Security new information beyond what's already present in the records. But what happens is when we then pass that information along to Social Security and say, hey, we want to let you know our client had 3 new appointments with different providers, Social Security and we are under an obligation to help Social Security get those medical records, which can take a month, 6 weeks to get those records. So now, when the case may have been ready for a decision, all of a sudden, there's 6 more weeks that it takes for the case to get slowed down. And then that happens again when there's a few more appointments, and again and again. And all of a sudden, we've got a client who's calling our office and saying, why is this taking so long? Social Security should have enough information. I keep updating you about what's going on. Well, in fact, the fact that you keep updating us about appointments, but there's really nothing new happening, is the problem. It is why it's taking so long. So what we tell our clients is, you want to make sure that you're letting us know about, important medical information, but we really want to limit our the records that we're getting for Social Security to things that are really changing the picture of things.
All right, thank you so much, Michael, for that tip. And remember, if you have any questions at all, you can submit those on our website. That's linerlegal.com.